Never seen this before, but the customer's master bedroom is right here. He said they called the company. They want $600 to replace the motor. He said normally it would be $1,400. I'm gonna take this motor off and see if I can figure out what's going on with it. So I wanted to show you what we did to fix this for the customer. This is really sad. So this unit is 2 years old. They called Black Diamond, a company out here in Utah, to come and look at it. They quoted her $600, even though this is under warranty. $600. They said it would be $1,400 if it wasn't under warranty, which is a load of baloney. So here's all I did. You see how far up this is? It used to be down quite a bit further. All I did was I pulled this up to where this is almost flush, locked it in, and the noise is gone. So if any of you guys have a newer Lennox and you're in the same boat as this customer, you can do this fix and get it fixed up. Hopefully you guys can hear the noise difference from the first part of this video and after. All right, well, hopefully you guys will learn from this. All I did was took turned the power off, flipped this over, pulled the fan down on the further off of the shaft, and that seemed to have quieted it down. Sounds like it should now. It's nice and quiet. Well, there you have it, folks. We saved the customer $500. My normal service call price is $100, so we're able to save them some money. And I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, later.